Hi, welcome again. Today we're gonna make a bird feeder. We're going to use paper towel roll or toilet tissue roll. We're going to use stick or tree branches, string. You can use peanut butter or honey. And I am going to make a mix of sunflower nuts and corn. And I'm going to smash them together and make them like small pieces. This is what I did. Now once you have your roll, you fold it, and then you're going to cut a little bit like this, and you're going to cut a little bit like this. Now we're going to insert I'm going to use this tree branch. I'm going to start from the inside, and we're going to push a little bit to make it go through, and like this. It's springtime and I see the birds coming to eat around, and I want them to find some food. Now that I have this piece, I'm going to tie my little rope, because this is what I'm going to use to hang from the tree. And on the stick, this is where the birds are going to sit. So I'm going to tie the knot like this. Now I'm going to spread the peanut butter. Going to start from the bottom. If you're allergic to peanut butter, then you should use honey. Or if you don't want to use peanut, then you can use honey anyway. You don't have to be allergic. You just remember, when we're creating, we can be whatever we want, and we can use whatever we want. Now that I have my peanut butter, I'm going to do some bird food like this. Because I want my little birds to be happy and find something to eat. It's kind of heavy, so I guess I'm gonna have to tie the rope on the top. Yeah, it can get a little bit tangled, but that's okay. We're gonna hold it like this, and there you go, a bird feeder. Adios.